Here we add a second wand to the user, a crystal red wand. Konnichiwa, and welcome to another awesome session. Here we have our player in view. Let's begin by adding a second weapon to this player. We will find more weapons in the prefab's weapons directory. Let's expand the player entity and then weapons. And let's drag a crystal wand into the weapons entity. And there we have our wand, albeit standing on top of the player's head. Rotate. Let's reposition the wand. Move so that it aligns with the yellow wand. I'm going to switch to camera view so we can see from the perspective of the player. And then try as best as we can to try to match the position of the yellow wand. And now, let's fill in some of the missing fields on this weapon's weapon and weapon zoom script. Drag in the camera. Drag in the player. Now to switch between the weapons, we need to add a script to the weapons entity. Click on the weapons and add a component to add the weapons switcher script. Next, we want to add the red wand's magic swarm to the list of effects. Go to the prefab effects, find a crystal magic swarm, and drag that into the effects entity. Then let's try it out. Toggle between the weapons by hitting the 1 or 2 key. And there you have it, a player with 2 weapons, a yellow and a red crystal wand. Let's try out our wands with our zombie. Isn't that fun? I hope you enjoyed this session. I know I did. And we'll see you next time. Booyah! I hope you found these videos useful. Want to keep watching videos like these? Hit that subscribe and like button below so I can make you more for free. Booyah!